As a business owner in this modern age, you know that a website is the lifeblood of your business. DIY website builders may look good and are easy to make, but they are not going to get the job done. You need a competent web design agency to build you the website you need and deserve. Not only do you need a design that will dazzle the eyes, you also need one with the right content that will inform and persuade the visitor to stay on your site and become a customer. Only the best Lavaca web designers have the knowledge, expertise, drive, and passion to get your website on the first page of Google. Lacy SEO is a web design company perfectly suited to get the job done right. Our affordable web design services in Lavaca blows away the competition. No matter what kind of business you have, we can create a custom web design solution for you. Good web design should be simple, easy to navigate, and professional. All three elements are essential for gaining customer trust and increasing conversions. Planning and designing a website can often take a lot of time and effort to get it looking just right. The best way to design a website is through planning. You need to have a plan about what you want the site to do before taking any next steps. It starts with picking out which type of website template the customer wants and deciding on the fonts and colors. Then it's time to map out all the pages that will be on your site. This includes the home page, contact page, about us page, and service or product pages. Web design is a crucial part of any modern business. It's the manifestation of a company's identity with customers, and it helps deliver that identity in a professional and personable way. These days, there are many companies that offer web design services for Lavaca, Texas. You want to choose a company that has the experience and expertise in all aspects of web design.